Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Citizens Bank app password step by step clearly. To reset your Citizens Bank app password, start by opening the app on your device. Once the app is open, navigate to the login screen. Look for the option that says Forgot Password and tap on it. You will be prompted to enter your username or email address associated with your account. After entering the required information, tap on the Continue button. Check your email for a password reset link sent by Citizens Bank. Open the email and click on the password reset link. This link will direct you to a secure web page to create a new password. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements provided. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the designated field. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, submit the form. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been reset successfully. Return to the Citizens Bank app login screen. Enter your username and the new password you just created. Tap on the Login button to access your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Citizens Bank customer support for assistance. Congratulations, you've successfully reset your Citizens Bank app password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.